What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we are doing another mystery unboxing. I got another mystery box. So if you guys didn't see my last makeup mystery box unboxing on my channel, I basically ordered a makeup mystery box from Amazon, and that one that I ordered, I think it was about $23, and I got 10 items, so I was really excited because I was like, okay, like $23 for 10 items. But then I put the video up and a lot of you guys were like, sis, like this is all dollars for makeup, which I was like a little upset because I was like, okay, some of this makeup is kind of ratty, and y'all were like, yeah, you could literally just find that at the Dollar Tree. So I kind of got a bad box the last time because I got 10 items, but they were probably only worth like 10 bucks, but I paid $23 for the box. But it's interesting because you don't know what you're gonna get. So many of you were like, do another one, do a little bit more like expensive one, like a higher price point. A lot of times at the more expensive ones, you get better stuff. So we have this baby today. This is actually from a Poshmark closet. So I will link the Poshmark closet down below that made this mystery box. So it's a Poshmark makeup mystery box. And this was the $99 one. There's a variety of different price points that this Poshmark account has. So they're not all like, you know, 100 or whatever, but you're supposed to get double the amount in value. So basically this is the $100 box, 99, but we'll just say 100. And you're supposed to get at least $200 of value of like high-end makeup products. So that's what it claims. So fingers crossed, I'm really excited. And hopefully we make out better this time than we did with our Amazon makeup mystery box. This one already looks so much better though. Like we have the cute tape and stuff. Like the Amazon one was kind of a hot mess from when I received it. It was just a bunch of stuff like thrown in a thing and I didn't know what to expect. So I have high hopes. I also just looked in the viewfinder and saw that it looks like I'm not wearing anything. I am wearing a dress, but my hair is just covering it up, so just want to clear that up. And without further ado, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you be notified of all my future uploads. I did get some people saying that they couldn't click the bell, so please let me know down below in the comments if that's the case for you. Y'all should be able to hit that little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can turn on my post notifications so you know when I upload. So definitely let me know if that's an issue and you can't down below in the comments. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and dig into this and see what we got. Got my trusty little box cutter here. Gotta open up this box. And I like too that they put fragile stickers on it just because with makeup, sometimes when you order it, it can come like broken and stuff, but I like that extra step to try and keep the products intact. All right, woo! I would show you guys me opening it, but my address is on the front, so that's why I'm not. Okay, I'm excited. So right on top I see a little priority mail lever, but oh, there's two of them, but there's nothing in here. I think these were just for like to package it down. Then we got some cute pink bubble paper. Cute. Oh my gosh, look how cute. This is from the owner of the Poshmark closet. This is so cute. This is already a lot nicer than the Amazon one that I got. We have a little cute little sticker, little butterfly. Then there's a little card here. Ooh, so this says the approximate value in the card, but I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna open up everything and then I'll tell you guys because I don't wanna give it away, but that's actually cute that they put that in there. Oh, and then this is cool. So there's another card. This is like actually really nice. This is a very nice experience. If you guys watched my Amazon one, you already know this is a lot nicer. So there's this other little envelope here which this says price list, do not open until after your unboxing if you wanna be surprised. So I guess in here it'll say like the list of all of the products and then their corresponding prices. Where the other card just put what the total overall value of the box was, approximately. So that's really cool. I'll wait to look at that to the end. Okay, so let me just show you what this looks like because it's really cute and I feel like it's worth showing. Like this is very nice presentation, so I really like that. Like we literally have little flowers in here. This is really cute. Oh my gosh, everything is wrapped. This is so nice. Okay, this is very, very, very nice. Much nicer than the Amazon one. So everything is wrapped really, really pretty. Like in this pretty, oh, there was a little flower that fell. So cute in this pretty wrapping paper. Okay, I'm so excited. We need to open this up now and see what we got. Woo! Oh my gosh, I'm like getting so excited. These are so much better. Okay, so we have Nars and Tarte. So we have the Nars Radiance Primer. I don't think I've ever tried this, the Nars Radiance Primer, but this is really, really nice. Looks pretty, okay. I'm excited about this. SPF 35 sunscreen in it too, so I'm really, really excited. I haven't ever tried this primer from Nars, so that's awesome. And then we have the Tarte Man-Eater Eyeliner. Oh, this is a really, really nice eyeliner. You know what? I'm gonna take this out so I can show you guys it. but what I'm going to do is I am going to send this to one of you guys. I have this eyeliner, I have a lot of them. It's very nice. It's a nice deep dark black liner. So since I already have a few of these, I'm gonna give it away to one of you guys. So comment down below what you're most excited for about the fall. So comment that down below and I will send this out to one of you guys. I'll pick one of you guys just at random and send this to you. Also, just let me know a way to get in contact with you. So just put like your Instagram so I can DM you, Twitter, like anywhere I can message you, or your email or something, so that if you are picked as the winner, I can contact you. So I'll send this out to one of you guys. It's a really nice eyeliner. So, oh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, next we have this. Let's open her up and see. Ooh, this is the Hourglass Unreal High Shine Volumizing Lip Gloss. Sounds like something that I would like. Ooh, and what a beautiful shade too. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this on right now, show you guys. I have a lot of lip gloss on, but you can never have too much. Ooh, I forgot that Hourglass has like that minty smell to their lip glosses. That's really nice too. Cover up if you have like bad breath going on. Super pretty, I like this. Dang, they were not kidding when they say high end. I mean, this stuff is high end, like Hourglass, Nars, Tarte. And the shade on this is Child. I don't know if I said that. I'm gonna put this back in the packaging. Wow, this is so fun. Oh my gosh, we have to do more of these. I like filming these, so hopefully you guys enjoy them and let me know and we can continue to do them. All right, next, let's go back over here. Let's see what we got. We have this little guy. Ooh, okay, so we have the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow. So this is in the shade Chocolate Malt. Right here, I'll swatch for you guys. These are like brand new too. Like this is not, like these are newer products to Too Faced. So that's what it looks like right there. Very, very pretty, just like a matte brown. Would be really nice for like all over the lid. Super cute. Then we have the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude Lipstick. Natasha Denona, like this is, this is really good, okay? The shade is Natasha. My mind is like blown over this, honestly. So this is what it looks like a classic kind of nude shade. Ooh, that's really, really pretty right there. That's definitely a color that I would use too. Like it's not like I'm getting like a blue lipstick, you know what I mean? Wow, okay. This is really, really nice. Okay, up next we have this little guy. Ooh, this is a new one. I haven't seen this. This is the Winky Lux So Extra Velvet Plush Mascara. I've tried, I think, lip products from Winky Lux before, but I have never tried this mascara. So let's see what it looks like. Pretty normal kind of looking wand, but this is pretty cool. Excited to try this and see how it works. Then we have something that is in like an extra layer of bubble wrap, so I guess maybe it's easily breakable or something. I'm gonna take this off and see what is underneath here. Like just the presentation of all this is so cute, like with the cute tapes and stuff. And because everything is packaged so nicely, like I feel like it's fun obviously for me to open and stuff, but this would also be a great gift to send to somebody. Like you just want to like send them, you know how people do those like gift baskets and stuff for people? They're so expensive. I actually sent somebody one last month. They are so pricey. Like I feel like people would prefer to get something like this. Okay, we got another layer here. Let's see. Okay, I literally, Charlotte Tilbury, wow, eyeshadow. So this is an eyeshadow palette. Gosh, like I said, they're not kidding. How are they making money doing this? That's what I'm kind of trying to think. I'm like, how are they making any money doing this? Because these products are not cheap. Like they're not cheapy products. So for $100 box, like I feel like Charlotte Tilbury stuff is like expensive, like dang. Oh, and this is pretty too. Again, it's like a pretty palette. It's not like it's like the reject one that nobody wanted, like for lack of a better term. Like this is nice. I'm gonna do some swatches for you guys. I don't think I've actually ever owned a Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette before. They're like bougie. Looks really, really pretty. Like warm toned neutrals, which y'all know are my faves. So this would be great for like travel, throw it in your purse. You always have it and can create like a pretty eye look. So that's really, really nice. Wow. Who would have thought my first Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow would come in a Poshmark makeup mystery box? Okay, then we have this little guy. Let's see. What's in here? Ooh, the Becca Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder. Oh, this is really, really nice. I like this a lot. It's nice to set your under eyes with it. It really makes your under eye area pop. And you guys know I like that light and bright under eye look. So this is really, really nice. I'm like literally inspecting this stuff. I'm like, is this like used or something? Like I don't understand how like they're making any money off of this, like to be able to do this. But like all the seals, everything is on. Everything looks completely normal. Like this is really, really a nice a nice box. Like I just can't even, you can't even really compare this from when I did my one from Amazon, which that was like not even close to as nice as this. And then last but not least, we have a couple little Sonia Kashuk brushes. So they actually said in the card where it said what the cumulative value of the box was, they said that the Sonia Kashuk brushes were just like an additional little gift sort of thing. So these are apparently not even included in the value. So that's really nice. Let me figure out how to open these up so I can show you guys. And then we'll go through the value of everything on the price list sheet. I just didn't want to look at it before so I could be surprised, but I honestly blown away by this. Like this is really fun and this is really good. So I guess you guys are right. The more expensive ones are better than the cheaper mystery boxes, at least in my experience. Ooh, so we got like a nice like crease brush, fluffy, feels really, really nice. Sonia Kashuk is actually a really nice brand. They have them at Target, I believe, but it's kind of like an elevated, like I wouldn't call Sonia Kashuk drugstore. I feel like they're like in between like drugstore and high-end because they do have them at Target, but in my opinion, it's a more like elevated brand than like your typical, you know, brand that you would get at Target, I guess. Ooh, so this is like a domed brush. So this would be great for like highlight. You could also actually use this to contour, but I like to use these kind of fluffy domed brushes as highlights. So that's really, really nice. And then last but not least, we have this guy. This is like a more denser brush. So you could use this to pack on color all over the lid, but then you could also definitely blend in the crease with this one too. They call this the angled eyeshadow. So that's really, really nice. I'm very, very, very impressed with this. I'm gonna open up now the card that is the price list so we can go through everything in there and we'll add up the value and stuff ourselves. But I can tell you guys now from the original card, it does say the $99 mystery box is valued at approximately $228, that it says the Sonia Kashuk brushes are a free gift, smiley face, which is very kind. So let's go through the prices of everything. This is just so nicely done. Okay, so we have the Tarte Man-Eater Eyeliner, $20. Which, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do? Is I'm gonna look up these products online and make sure, you know? Yep, Tarte's website right here, 20 bucks for the liner, so that is correct. We have the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Eyeshadow. It says $21. Let's double check. Yep, $21. We have the Becca Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder, $25. Yep, this one is also $25. Like, it's not even like these are even like sale items. That's why I'm like, what? This is crazy. Okay, Hourglass Lipstick, $30. Or lip gloss, I mean, not lipstick. Yes, those are $30. The Wing Flux Mascara, $18. Also $18 online as well. Natasha Denona Nude Lipstick, and that's also a newer collection, the Natasha Denona Nude Lipstick collection. So it's also like newer stuff. It's not like it's like older stuff that nobody wants anymore. Yep, 25 bucks. The Charlotte Tilbury palette, $53. Wow, that's crazy for the four shadows. But I knew her stuff was pricey. Just looking it up to make sure. Yep, 53 bucks on Sephora's website. And then we have the Nars Radiance Primer, $36 and $36 online as well, for a grand total of $228. Wow, okay. Then plus you have the brushes too, the Sonia Kashuk brushes that they threw in just as like an extra, like wasn't even included in the price. So that's, I'm like mind blown from this. So I think I did much better this time than I did the first time with the Amazon makeup mystery box. Like this one is so much better. So Poshmark is where it's at, y'all. Like I feel like Poshmark isn't like the first place people would think to look for makeup mystery boxes. But I actually had a couple of you guys comment that on the Amazon one because I originally just went to Amazon because I was like, it's easy, everybody uses Amazon. I wouldn't have thought of Poshmark first, but then some people said like, oh, check Poshmark, their makeup mystery boxes. And yeah, I mean, this was just really, really good. And you could just tell there was a lot of thought and effort like put into the box. Like there's a lot of little things that just make for such a nice experience. You know, just the fact that everything was wrapped and stuff. I feel like, again, it's great for you if you order it for yourself. It's like a fun experience like I did to be able to unbox it. It's like, feels like Christmas when you're like unwrapping gifts or your birthday or something, but then it's also a really cool thing that you could send to like a friend or family member or something, you know, on their birthday or for whatever, you know, it's a nice gift option as well. And before we know it, the holidays are gonna be here too, so I'm gonna have to remember this for then. But yeah, I feel like this was really, really good. We made out really, really well. So let me know down below, what did you guys think? Let me know in the comments, did you guys think this was a good one? Because I'm pretty blown away. So I think that is it for today's makeup mystery box. So also let me know down below in the comments anywhere else you'd like me to look for makeup mystery boxes. Have you ordered one somewhere and had a really great experience? Definitely let me know down below in the comments because I can continue to do these videos if you guys enjoy them. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!